Hi, Vape Crusader here again. Just thought I'd chuck in a few words about the safety aspect of vaping. Now, people ask, whether vaping is safe. Now, the first thing we have to do with a question like that is to look at the question itself. Safe, of course, is a relative term. Let's try applying this adjective to, say, walking. Walking is safe relative to running, unsafe relative to sitting. Whilst it may be fairly safe to lie in bed watching a telly, and walking may be relatively risky compared to that, it's not as risky walking as, for example, running the wrong way round the M25 with your knickers on your head, shouting, run me over, I'm a duck," and wearing a t-shirt saying "nuclear weapons here please" with a big sign on it pointing to your genital area. In the same way, we can look at vaping. Vaping is perhaps more risky than breathing fresh mountain air from the Austrian Alps. One can't imagine God, when he was designing human beings, thinking, yes, I must build a provision in here for the possible assimilation of vapour, propylene glycol, laced with nicotine. So relative to breathing beautiful, pure, fresh air, I guess vaping is a little bit risky. Not what we were naturally designed to do. On the other hand, vaping compared to smoking, well, let's see, we know that there are several thousand chemicals, including known carcinogens and toxins in cigarette smoke. Now, we would have to exclude nicotine from the equation because that's in both e-cigarettes and normal cigarettes. So in e-cigarettes you've got vapour and propylene glycol in addition. Now, neither of those are carcinogenic, neither of those are toxic. Now, let's suppose, however, that they were. You then have two toxic / carcinogenic elements to vaping compared to several thousand with smoking. So I'm guessing that until the tobacco companies manage somehow to commission a report saying that vaping is somehow more dangerous than smoking, for me it's quite hard to imagine that anything really could be more dangerous than smoking, apart possibly from the earlier example of running backwards around the M25. So in those circumstances I don't think, frankly, that one needs to be a doctor, a brain surgeon, a rocket scientist, or even to have a couple of A levels to work out that all other things being equal, which frankly they're not, vaping is going to be safer than smoking.